Hello and welcome back to Glam Tones. My name is Gigi. If you're new here, this is a nail channel, and I hope you clicked on it because you liked what you saw. And if you do, please consider subscribing because my channel goal right now is 500 subs by the end of the year. And as you can see, guys, I am painting these nails white, and we are actually going to do the entire set white. But at the end of this, you're going to see not a dang one of them is going to be white. So white is just our base that we are using to apply some more stuff. While those are curing, and before I repeat, we're going to go ahead and make a little milky white for one of the layers of this look, because this is a very layered look and it's a very bright look. But once again this year, and I think we've talked about this, is the trend is going to be brights for fall. And if you've seen any of the ads for the upcoming seasons from designers, like look at Valentino's line. It is all Barbie pink. Maybe not all, but every ad I've seen for that line this year is pink. And Zendaya looks amazing in every one of those looks. So if you want to be inspired by pink, I would check out those ads. They are gorgeous. I'm sure you can see the layouts on their website or on Google somewhere. Really, really beautiful, and I feel very inspired by them. So if you see something coming up soon with a lot of pink in it, don't be surprised. Don't be surprised. And actually, we've already done pink. Our last look was Barbie core, so get ready for pink. All my pink princesses out there are gonna love it. So what I did here is just take my powders, my nail powders, or pigment powders. These were actually called nail powders, and they're by Degada, and I am just pressing them into a base coat that I added to these nails because the base coat's nice and sticky and it gives you a very bright color payoff. So that's why I went on ahead and went with base coat. You can definitely do this directly into your polish, but depending on how sticky the polish is or how long you cured it, results will vary with how bright your colors stay. If you're looking for more of a pastel tone, you may want to omit the base coat. If you hear a little struggling crying going on right now, that's my grandson. He's teething hardcore right now and he's very upset. So a little love sent his way, please, if you don't mind. Let's go ahead and finish up this color explosion on these nails with the pinky. The other two nails are going to get this treatment, but a solid color. And I'm in love with it. I'm obsessed. I have to wear this, and I have to wear it soon. I have to. It is just everything you want in a gray sort of color. So we'll get there. We're about to get to that. So what I'm doing is just finishing this up, adding all the colors where they go, and having a good time with it. I love working with these pigment powders, guys. If you agree with me, let me know in the comment section, and let me know what it is you really like about working with those pigment powders, because there's so many facets to working with them that I love. And here it comes, guys. In the set of Degada, there's a bunch of the shimmer colors, and one of them is this beautiful pewter color. Look at how pretty that is. And you can see right there I messed up a little on my base coat application. So I do a second coat on this, but just to make sure I get everything completely right there. See, I screwed up my base application. So I do a second coat off camera, just so you know. It does end up fully covered in that pewter color. And I'm in love with it. I'm obsessed. So now we're going to come in with our fall foliage, and we're just going to do black because, you know, that looks good. I like it when you have black foliage, leafage, whatever you want to call it. Leafage? The actual F was that. Anyways, I like the black. I really like the black. What would that be? Not a relief. There's a name for it. There's a name for it. I can't think of what it is. It's an artsy term. Anyways, we're just going to keep making these pretty, gorgeous, amazing leaves. When you do these leaves, there can be a nice amount of polish, like a little puddle of polish sort of. So make sure you fully cure these. I would not do a flash cure, and the only reason is you could get some wrinkling, and once you've gotten that, you're never going to fully cure it. You're never going to get rid of that wrinkling, and it's always going to show. So I give them a full cure. If you have a polish that you're successful doing a flash, mwah, bless you to pieces, love you. Let me know what that polish is. I don't have that. Even though this isn't the most opaque black that I have, I fully cured it. Look how cute that is, but we're going to take it to another level. We're going to add that milky white on top to give it sort of a out of focus sort of look, right? Almost like a bokeh, bokeh, B-O-K-E-H, bokeh, bokeh, bokeh. I'm not 100% how to say that, but I love the style of it. I think it's gorgeous. So that's kind of what we're giving with this. Now, it's pretty just like that. You don't have to do this. You could just stop right there and have a stunning set. But I kind of like the milky white over the top. I think it looks really good. And you still get the brightness of the colors, although it is just the tiniest bit muted, right? Okay, so while those are curing, we're going to go ahead and do a top coat on these and add a few gems, because why not? I have all these gems right now, and I'm just going to gem up as many sets as I possibly can, because, like, who doesn't love gems? If you don't, I'm sorry. But come on, join us in the love of gems. Even if you don't want to wear them, you can love looking at them, right? It's cool. It's cool. Now, this was a mistake that I'm going to rectify in a moment. I'm realizing as I play with the gems that I don't like that fourth gem. And we are going to remove it in just a moment, because I just don't like it. But these gems were just cascading down the nail, giving a nice, almost pendant-y sort of vibe. Right there, I was like, no, it doesn't fit. It doesn't fit, especially not on the skinnier nail. So we just went with 3. And look at how much better it looks. Instantly, it slimmed the nail and gave it balance. Speaking of balance, tomorrow is the first day of fall, and it is the beginning of Libra season, so we are going to do a Libra set, I think for Saturday, but if not, then sometime next week, because sometimes I get inspired by something else and I have to do it before I can do what I had planned. But my plan is for Libra on Saturday. Guys, here is our finished set. I hope you like them as much as I do. I think they came out pretty darn cute, and I think any awesome fall-loving diva would love this set. Give me your thoughts in the comment section below, and know that with all my heart, I thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that bell. You don't want to miss a thing. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.